as friends. Let us redefine the leadership of Kenya. Let us not accept even 10,000 shillings from corrupt individuals. And if you're going to have your own political party, there should be no candidate who is corrupt running on that ticket. Those of you who are seated here, let us redefine our politics. They have defined it with insults. Let us be different. Especially young people like me. They say that we are young and greedy. Those of you who are seated here and aspire to be leaders, don't embarrass us like the young leaders that we have. Whatever he touches, may it turn into a blessing. Amen. And may the Lord bring to fruition whatever he has purposed in his life beyond 60. If it is the will of God that he is our president, Morara has tomorrow. And if it is the will of God that I'm the president, pass. Ujue kwanza wewe, hiyo kazi ya anti-corruption, hiyo ni wewe na pia. Kwa sababu wewe ndio unajua vile utafanya hiyo maneno. Otherwise, nashukuru, Mungu awabariki and God bless you. Asanteni sana.